What is up, everybody? It is, I think, about to be 1 o'clock right now. The sun is at its highest, but we're gonna get started on the maintenance with CHICHI right now. So we're gonna do the oil change is one, the coolant is the other one, and then 3 is flushing the coolant. Filter with the oil, right? Engine ice, and then to really flush out your coolant system, distilled water. Let's get to work. By the way, today is gonna be the day, okay? I know. I am gonna put this on today. I'm gonna put this on today, okay? I swear today will be the day. Okay, here's the reason why I haven't put it on yet. It's because I think this is part of the clutch, and I don't know if excess oil is gonna come out. So I did not want to do it until I had the actual oil with me, so I could at least take it out just in case, you know, just to be safe. So I'm sorry, I've been saying that in every video that I'm gonna put this on. Okay, I will make sure I will capture it for valid information that I am gonna put it on today. Okay. Right now I just turned on the bike. I just put in the distilled water. Now I'm just running it through CHICHI. So right now we're at the phase where you need to let it cool down just a little bit, because obviously the gas cap and the bolt underneath is pretty hot, and we need to let that cool down in order for us to take it out. So far so good. We did have a little mishap. I'll show you guys in a bit, but one of the bolts in the fairings, as I was taking off, ripped from too much pressure. But luckily it's the new bolts and the new bolt kit that I got, so it's easy to take off the fairing and I can just replace it, so no biggie. You can see right here the bolt ripped in half, but luckily I don't have to worry about it because it's on this lock right here. right? And I can just easily take it off, and then I can just put a new one. So no biggie on that one. What's up, guys? So now we already did the coolant change and we already flushed it out and everything, double checked, see if there's any leaks, and we're done. So now we get to move on to the next part. Yep, the oil change, 100% synthetic. I like this one. This was recommended to me by the guys from Cycle Gear in Clover City, so thank you to those guys. I love this one. Next is the K&N oil filter. So for mine, what mine is a KN 204, obviously, but 204. And the cool thing about K&N, what makes this gonna be even easier to do, is this right there. It has the socket. You can put your little bit right there, take it out easier, so you don't have to worry about it. Usually when you get the any of the standard ones, majority of them won't have that little nut thing you can put on, but that's why I love going for K&N, because it does have it. I know for sure there's a lot more now that probably do have it, but I just stick to what I know. K&N, that's it. So let's get started. Oh yeah, one more thing. Since we are going to be doing the oil, I will be doing this too. I'm going to change it out. Since I'm changing out the oil and everything, most likely there's going to be some oil coming out of that anyway. So, just to make sure, I'm going to do it at the same time I'll be changing out the oil. So. Alright guys, so the oil is finally done. It's finally drained out, so now we're going to start dipping the oil drain plug, and then we're going to put in just a finger around the rim of the new filter, put it back in, and then from there we're just going to fill up the I'm gonna fill up with the new oil, and then from there we're just gonna turn on the bike, bring it back to temperature, so then it could get used to that new oil again. What's up, guys? So we are finally done. We flushed out and exchanged the coolant. We did the oil change as well. While doing the oil change, we swapped out the old scratched out strata case for the new one. Now the bike looks even awesome. So that was fun. I enjoyed making this. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. Please give me a like, comment, and a subscribe to the channel, and let me know what you guys want to see more of. I can do just more than just motorcycles, guys, so I can't wait to show that more to you. That's for the future to come. Alright, guys, you guys have a good one. Alright.